My name is Job Thijs. I'm faculty of ECAMS for the non-surgical facial transformation. And the last few days I attended the advanced liposuction and fat grafting course from ECAMS. Again, a very good course under the leading mentorship of Dr Alberto Di Giuseppe. And he taught it such a well way little tricks to use in your daily practice if you do liposuctions and fat grafting for, almost all areas. The device, the vaser that has been used showed that, the technique is maybe a bit different, but can make such nice results that, I take those moments with me to our own clinic, and I hope that it will, I know it will bring much nicer results for my patients.